Wale, you are, as I understand it, an investor across a broad set of categories: listed, private equity, advising, investing your own capital, etc. From the perspective of Kuramo Capital, what do you see as the most interesting opportunities on the horizon in Africa? Be as specific as you feel comfortable being, whether it's by country, by sector, by theme. I think it'd be useful to sort of share your thoughts on that.
Thanks, Gab. I must say I've been on a few panels. I don't think I've been on a panel at the end of the day with about 10 members, all trying to get some time in. To your question, I think the earlier panelists, Nick and Elias and also Gavin, set the template. We at Kuramo were really agnostic about where we invest in. Our focus is really to capture this tremendous growth opportunity in sub-Saharan Africa. And I throw another statistic out there. If you think about the market cap of most of the stock exchanges in Africa relative to the GDPs of the various countries, that market cap to GDP number hovers around 15 to 20%. So we came to the conclusion that Kuramo, we will build a portfolio of people, for people, that about 20% of it will be in the listed equities, and then the remaining portion of it will capture in the private markets. Talking about private markets, obviously, people know about the exciting telecoms revolution that's occurred on the continent right now, and how a good number of private equity funds have done extremely well. I think that's moved from, obviously, just cell phone, but now moving more into like just data. I think it's still going to be an interesting opportunity. There's been talks about the agri opportunity on the ground. We haven't been able to figure out exactly where in the value chain we're going to play right now. But an area we actually find exciting, and I think Bob Diamond mentioned it in his remarks today, is technology. We think there are a good number of interesting companies playing on social media, e-commerce, that are very, very exciting and a place to look into. So we are in the process of really supporting some groups in the technology space, particularly venture. I think people will say venture in Africa sounds even more risky. We think actually it could be very, very exciting. I come from a background of venture. I used to run an endowment upstate New York for a technology school. So I know what venture can do for you, and I know what technology can do for you. So technology will be an area that we find very, very exciting on the ground right now. Key countries for us in technology will be Ghana, Kenya, and Nigeria.
So, Wale, thank you very much.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.